I realized that a lot of people, after updating their WhatsApps, still can't find the Meta AI feature on their WhatsApp. Remember, this is only available at the moment on normal WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business. Okay. So what I did was, first of all, look at this. You can just go to your chat with someone, for instance, and type at as the symbol at, like you're typing at Gmail or something at. If you type it, if your own has Meta AI, the Meta AI can just pop up like this. Can you see? I just type at. So I want to send a message to someone. The Meta AI popped up. So it shows me that I have Meta AI on my WhatsApp. Okay. Um, but then I went further to query Meta AI on this matter. Okay. Why don't some people have Meta AI on their WhatsApp? So, but the first question I asked was this: how can I turn on Meta AI feature on my WhatsApp from Nigeria? And it says to turn on Meta AI feature on your WhatsApp from Nigeria. Follow the steps. It said update your WhatsApp to the latest version from the Play Store or Google Play Store. Okay. Step 3, say open WhatsApp and go to settings or options menu. It said represented by the gear icon. Okay. Now, third step, it says scroll down and select account. Then it said first step, enable Meta AI option, restart WhatsApp to apply the changes. I said once enabled, you can access Meta AI feature like me within WhatsApp. Okay, just start a chat with me and I will be happy to assist you. So I want further to tell you that I have done steps 1 to 3, but I can't see any option to enable Meta AI. Then it says, I apologize for the confusion. It seems the Meta AI feature might not be available on WhatsApp for Nigeria yet. So the feature is still being rolled out to different regions and it might take some time before it's available in your area. So, what I think with this is that you don't need to bother if you can't yet see it on your own WhatsApp. If you've done the update and still can't find it, not to worry, don't worry at all. With time, WhatsApp will on their own activate it on your own WhatsApp. Remember, at this point in time, I'm only able to access it on my normal WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business. Okay, so just be calm. It will be rolled out, and your WhatsApp can as well have it. It's a great feature to have on your WhatsApp as it helps you to do your searches on any subject, just like ChatGPT. Okay, and when you're able to do subscribe and follow me on this page for more tips. Okay, I'll be dropping another tip on this WhatsApp matter, but this will be on how you can run two WhatsApp accounts using two numbers on the same WhatsApp app on your phone. Okay, so that you can easily switch from this account to this account using the same WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll be dropping that next video shortly. Follow me or subscribe so that you get the notification once I post that video.